Present tense. In English language, present tense has divided into four parts of verbs. Present tense, Ram studies. Ram is studying. Ram has studied. Ram has been studying since morning. Ram studies. Ram is studying. These two sentences differences. Ram has studied, and in this meaning, Ram has been studying since morning. Morning. Present infinitive, present continuous, present perfect continuous sentences. How to use do or does. Do you study English? Yes, I do. Manish, does Lata come to your house? Sam, yes, she comes to sometime. Manish, do other friends also come to you? Sam, yes, they do. Manish, do you stay in Mumbai? Sham, no, I stay in Calcutta. How to use is or am. Bala, is this book you are looking for? Madhu, yes, that is it. Bala, is it watching a movie? Madhu, no, she is playing a video game. are you are you not going to market now? Madhu, no, I am not. Bala, is your father government service? Madhu, no, he is a businessman. Yeah. Is your brother preparing for some examination? Madhu, yes, he is preparing for the IAS examination. How to use has, have. Have you written any letter to Radha? Bhanu, yes, I have. Madhu, has she replied to your letter? Bhanu, no, she hasn't. Madhu, Mohan, have you taken your meals? Bhanu, no, I had a very breakfast in the morning. Mohan, did you go to place? Bhanu, no, I have yet to go to place. How to use has been, have been. What you have been doing since morning? Gopal, I have been reading this book. Sham, has it been raining here also since yesterday? Gopal, yes, it has been, but not continuously. Sham, has the water been falling for long? Gopal, no, it has been boiling only for a little time. Sham, we have been living for this house for 10 years. Gopal, he has been working on a new project since January. తర్వాత గుర్తుంచుకోండి. రిమంబర్, you are writing a letter. You have written a letter. You are not writing a letter. You have not written a letter. Are you writing a letter? Have you written a letter? Present identified tense. Some of the examples. You write a letter. I read English. Negative sentences. You do not write a letter. I do not read English. Do you write a letter? Do I read English? Question mark interrogative. Do is add. In the tense. How to use does